Hello my dear students, welcome to chemistry classes. Students, in the previous class we learned about the properties of matter and the units. Okay, in the properties of matter, physical properties of matter and the chemical properties of matter. Like this, there are two properties are present in the properties of matter. Okay, in the physical properties of matter, what is meant by physical properties of matter, students? The properties which are measurable and observable without changing their identity. Okay, example, color, melting point and boiling point and density. And what is meant by chemical properties of matter, students? Chemical properties of matter are nothing but the properties which is observable and measurable or measured with the chemical change takes place, or you can simply say there is a chemical change occur in the chemical property. Okay, examples, acidity and basicity. These two are the main properties of matter. They are nothing but chemical properties of a matter. And in the last class only we learned about the units. System of units means it is a complete set of units for all kind of physical quantities. Okay students, what is meant by physical quantities? For example, 100 meter. Here 100 is a number and meter is the unit. Okay, like this we classified into four important type of systems or system of units. They are FPS system, MKS system and CGS system, and last one SI system. Okay, or you can say international system of a unit, that is SI unit. Okay, SI, it is come from a French word or French language, that is Système Internationale. Okay students, so in this class we are going to start with the next concept, that is SI unit, Système Internationale, or you can say international system of a unit. It has 7 base quantities. It has 7 base quantities and is useful for your theory annual examination also. Okay, let us start with the first one, that is SI system, means international system, or you can say Système Internationale, has 7 base quantities. Has 7 base quantities. SI unit has the 7 base quantities. They are length, mass, density and volume what is that current and temperature and time, and next one, amount of substances and luminous intensity. Okay, I will write first one. Okay, I will write like this. First one, base physical quantities. Base physical quantities. Students, here 7 base physical quantities are there. Base physical quantities. And next one, abbreviation. Abbreviation. And next one, name of unit. Name of the unit. Name of the unit. And next one, students, symbol of the unit. Symbol of the unit. Okay, simple. Base physical quantities. Okay, here 7 important base physical quantities are there and their respective abbreviations and their SI units and the symbol of SI unit. That's it only. Okay, for example, I will tell you first one, mass. Mass, okay, it is the first base physical quantities. Mass. Okay, for example, student, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಾಣಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, 1 kg ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? 1 kg ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್, kg ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. It's a mass. First one, or you can say first I will take a length. First one I will take here not mass. I am going to take a first one, length. Length abbreviation in baribodu. Abbreviation means it's a first word, it's a symbol. Length, it's a small l. Okay, name of the unit. Length do SI unit in students here. Length, okay, length and for example I ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ 100 meter, 200 meter and 300 meter and 400 meter and 1 kilometer and 100 kilometer ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೌದಾ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 100 meter, 200 meter, 1 kilometer like this. Here meter it is a unit and 100, 110 these all are two numbers. Okay, then ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು, ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೌದಾ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡಿ, 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ, ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಹೌದಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಮೀಟರ್, ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Meter, it is the SI unit of that length. Okay, then what is the symbol of meter? Simply m, small m. This is the symbol of m. Simple, students. Okay, this is the first base for it. And second one I will write here now, mass. Second one, students, mass. Okay, mass to abbreviation in bariತೀರಿ. First word ಏನಿದೆ, m. Okay, I will write here m. And name of the unit. Again same example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗಲೇ ಕಿರಾಣಿ ಶಾಪ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, 1 kg ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 10 kg ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 50 kg ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಅದರದ್ದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, kg. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಕೆಜಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಬಟ್ ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ರೈಟ್. 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ 1, 2 these all are two numbers and kg it is a unit. Mass ದು SI unit ಏನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಿಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, and symbol it is a kg. Yes, simple. And next one, third one is time. Okay, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ದು ನಾವು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ರಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ t. ಓಕೆ, name of the SI unit of time, that is second. Okay, and symbol of second symbol small s. So this is about the time base physical quantity and symbol t and name of the unit second and symbol is yes. And next one, student, here temperature. Fourth one, temperature. Okay, then temperature the abbreviation ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, T ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Okay, capital T. And next one, temperature the SI unit ಏನು, temperature its SI unit is Kelvin. Temperature SI unit is Kelvin. Okay, and now Kelvin do symbol of capital K. Capital K, it is symbol for SI unit of temperature. And next one, students, current. Next one, fifth one, electric current. I will write simply current. Okay, current to abbreviation in bariboth students only, capital I. Okay, and SI written ampere do, sorry, current to ampere. It is the SI unit of electric current. And the symbol, simple, its symbol is A. Ampere symbol A, Kelvin symbol K, second symbol yes, kilogram symbol kg, meter symbol M, like this. And next one, sixth one, amount of substance. Amount of substances. Amount of substance. amount of substance, its abbreviation is N. Okay, and its SI unit is amount of substance. Substance SI unit, amount of substance do SI unit ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it's a mole. Mole, and its symbol is MOL. The symbol of the SI unit of amount of substance is mole, MOLE, and its symbol is MOL, mole. And next one, last one, that is luminous intensity. That is last one, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೀವ್ರತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Luminous intensity, its abbreviation is capital I and small v, IV, and its SI unit is candela. Its SI unit is candela, 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 and the symbol of candela is capital C small d. Capital C small d. So this is about the system of international. Our international system has 7 base quantities. Those 7 base quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, and current, amount of substances, and luminous intensity. Length udda, okay, mass ದ್ರವ್ಯ ರಾಶಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, time ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಯ, next temperature ಏನು ತಾಪ ಶಾಖ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ, next current electricity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, amount of substances, total amount of substances ಇದೆ n number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ, or you can say amount of substance to number of mole, 2 mole, 3 mole, 6 mole, 5 mole ಅಂತ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮೋಲ್ SI unit ಇಂದ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ MOL, ಅಂಡ್ ಲುಮಿನಸ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ತೀವ್ರತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರದ್ದು SI unit ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡೆಲಾ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ CD, capital C small d. Okay, so this is about the 7 base quantities. Okay, and next one, students, one more important point, that is about the SI unit has some derived quantities. SI unit of some derived quantities. SI unit of some derived quantities. So these are also a simple concept which were you learned in the previous years, like in 8th, 9th, 10th or 10th syllabus. You learned SI unit has some derived quantity. I will write here, students. SI unit of some derived quantities. SI unit of some derived quantities. Some derived quantities. SI unit of some derived quantities. So it is also a simple concept. SI unit of some derived quantities. Some derived quantity ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ SI unit of some derived quantities. In that first one, area. SI unit of some derived quantity. In that first one, area. Okay, student. ಏರಿಯಾ ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಿದೆ 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ 20 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, 40 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ 30 to 40 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಏರಿಯಾ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಉದ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಏರಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಉದ್ದ ಮತ್ತು ಅಗಲ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉದ್ದ ಅಗಲ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, 20 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ 30/40 ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಏರಿಯಾ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಉದ್ದ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮೀಟರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಗಲ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಂ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೀಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Meter into meter, that is meter square. So this is the first one. Area, nothing but length into breadth. M into M, this means M square. And next one, second one, volume, students. Volume. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲೆಂತ್ into breadth into height. Okay, that is the volume. Volume nothing but length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Okay, it is known as volume. Okay, so ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? m length ಅನ್ನ m ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ m ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, height ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ m ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Means these all are length. Okay, length measurements. So nothing m into m into m, it means m cube. Okay. Next, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು? m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು? m ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬಹಳ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಯ್ತು, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬೈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. Mass by volume. This is the density definition. Mass by volume. Okay students, in the last concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? kg ದಲ್ಲಿ. kg by volume ಏನಿದೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್? m cube. kg by m cube. Or you can write like this: kg per meter cube. kg per meter cube. This is the SI unit of a density. Clear students? And next one, area, volume, density, and fourth one is velocity. Fourth one is velocity. Okay student, here velocity ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ velocity nothing but distance by time. Velocity here distance by time. Distance by time. This is the definition for velocity. Distance by time. Distance ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. m by s, or you can write meter per second. This is the SI unit of velocity. Okay, and next one, acceleration. Next one, fifth one, that is acceleration. Acceleration. Student, ಇಲ್ಲಿ acceleration definition ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ acceleration nothing but velocity by time. Okay, velocity by time. This is known as acceleration. Okay, then what is the velocity here? Meter per second. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ velocity ಅಂದ್ರೆ meter per second. Time ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. And next one, meter per second square. ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. This is meter per second square. It is the SI unit of acceleration. And next one is sixth one, that is force. Force ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? What is the definition for force? Mass into acceleration. Force nothing but mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Okay, mass the unit ಏನು? kg, and acceleration unit ಏನು? meter per second square. Sorry, meter per second square. kg, meter per second square. This is the force SI unit. Force SI unit ಏನು? kg, meter per second square. And lastly, pressure. Student, here pressure to unit ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. What is meant by pressure? Pressure nothing but force by area. Pressure nothing but force by area. Okay, what is the force? Kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square divided by area. Area nothing but here m square. M square. Okay, m will cancel. Then the equation becomes now hೀಗೂ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ kg per meter per second square. This is the SI unit of a pressure. Okay students, so this is about the SI unit of some derived quantities. Okay, first one again I am going to tell you area. Area ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, length into breadth ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Length ನಾವು ಈ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, breadth it is also meter ಇಂದ. So meter into meter, meter square. SI unit of area is meter square. Then volume ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, length into breadth into height. Okay, length m, breadth it is also meter ಇಂದ ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. height ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂದ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. m into m into m cube. Next one density. Density definition is mass by value. Mass by value. So mass it is measured in kg and volume it is measured in m cube. Kg by m cube, or you can write kg per meter cube. And next one velocity. Velocity nothing but students here distance by time. Distance it is measured in a meter and time second, meter per second. Next one acceleration ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Acceleration nothing but velocity by time. Here velocity nothing but meter per second. Velocity by time meter per second by second, meter per second square. Next one force. Force definition is mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration it is called a force, and here mass it is measured in a kg and acceleration it is a meter per second square. So kg meter per second square it is the SI unit of force. And next one pressure. Pressure is equal to pressure nothing but force by area. Force by area. So here force nothing but kg meter per second square and area nothing but m square. ನಾವು ಹೀಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ kg per meter per second square. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೂ ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. kg meter per second square divided by meter square. kg meter per second square divided by meter square is equal, or you can write like this also, kg per meter per second square. Okay, ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, kg meter per second square divided by m square. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ kg meter per second square. This is the SI unit of a pressure.